tonight.
Excuse me, and I might drink a little more than I should tonight. And I might take you home with me